Eso lo presentan. Pretty.
Pretty.
Wait there. And again something?
You one of them flash it too. I'm gonna flash it there.
Funny.
Promotion.
I mean, if anything happened, then we barely talk when we share our room.
Nice to go hang out park here, so. Look how close me there to Manhattan. Jersey, me there, look who's Manhattan there. Veggie burger.
Tired. Drain.
Mash up.
Eat out.
Soho. You eat too much. You drink too much. You sleep too much. Too much. You're too much. You're too much. Boy. Steam room and no pool. Let me see your shots. 876. Roots wear bath suit and shots.
876 you say very good.
Yeah. Upon is 6 that. Yeah. You wanna go down there, so? Alright, come. 6 that. Thank you. Not much I really depend 7. Where are they? fifth floor. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Go put away my phone right now. So I'm not gonna really get no time with my phone. I'm gonna enjoy the water. I can't bother to watch phone. So yeah, come babe. So this yeah I do. Where you going? No. Wait. So that stone here you walk in it a warm water. May I come? You walk in the water here. May I tell you say it massage your foot bottom so nice.
Yeah, the sun. Not used to it.
What that mean? You know vitamin D?
Yeah, but you can't get the sun. It's on my white.
Where there?
White man, yeah.
876 roots where? Well, I'm a bobby them out of door. I have to wear cute top. Oh, you're sexy, so. When sexiness is that where you get the whole life, you stay up in the front line and just have go on with yourself, so. Here there. No, sir. Sexy can done. We're getting a water here now. When you're done this already? You get full? Is that right? Oh my god, I'm having so much fun. You want to come and join? No? I'm at 876 Roots here, okay? 876 Roots here. Alright, watch me do some exercise now.
Hello?
Anytime.